Good day, happy travelers. Today we are doing a room review on the Adventure of the Seas balcony room 8550. So if you're watching this, you may have been assigned this room and you want to know, hey, what's going on with it? So here's the video I took. We will pause it. And the first thing is off to your left is the bathroom. This right here is a shower capsule. I hate shower curtains. It's always nice to have a capsule. Plenty of room in the shower. Quick note here, you might wonder if there's haze, there's separate body wash conditioner. No, Royal Caribbean uses the 2-in-1 body wash shampoo liquids. Then no conditioner. So luckily we brought our own, but the shower does detach and you can pretty much shower wherever you need to. Again, ample room in the shower, which we always appreciate so we don't tug the wall. Otherwise, it's pretty much your standard bathroom. Shelves at the bottom, that mirror opens up over there for to put toiletries and other things. So plenty of space over there. I want to add that this is the closet for the room. This is definitely one of the smaller rooms we've been at. This is when we first got into it. Those are the hangers that you see. There's some shelving above it. We were not only on this cruise, but we were going to Disney World after. It held everything. So there was plenty of room. You may have to get creative. There's some shelving space. We moved the life jackets to be above that. Oh, hey, that hook, the ladder that you saw right here, that you will see where that goes here in a minute. We were quite surprised to see that we did not have a sofa bed couch. We had a bed on top of our bed. So again, shelves, you'll see the desk here. Boom. Those are your outlets. I'll show you a picture of the international outlet that's available as well, but those are your two outlets. We bought, you may know now within the past couple months that you cannot bring extension cords or anything with a cord that gives you more outlets. However, you can plug in a dongle, which is an electric outlet to USB outlet converter. But this is it. There's nothing next to the beds. You'll see. I'll show you the video. But that's it. What you see, boom. Those are your cords. There's the international outlet that if you have a converter, you can use that. That is not the bed. I thought it was. That is not the bed. Not super comfortable to sit in the bed. If it's comfortable if you like hard, firm beds. I do not. There's more shelves there. The safe is in the cabinet right below that. TV had ABC, ESPN, so we were able to watch the college football playoff. Plenty of room for all the luggages under the bed, under the very firm, hard bed. Churchill, our attendant, gave us a pillow topper to make it a little bit more comfortable, but it's still very firm. It was a very firm bed. But plenty of room on the balcony. Those are steel sidings, top to bottom, so there's nobody peeking around. And over the balcony here at night, the smell of, I think a steakhouse was below us, maybe Giovanni's. There was the smell of meat cooking went into the room with great frequency. When you were going over the balcony and just looking around. The room, again, this gives you probably the best perspective of how small it was. It was big enough. There was 3 of us in there. It was definitely on the smaller side. There's more shelving space there again. No outlets at the wall. And I'm going to pan up here. Boom. That is where the bed is. It holds up to 300 pounds. Your stateroom attendant will go in. And my kid just climbed up. He could have used the ladder, I guess, but he just chose to climb up. And in short, it was just the nicest room. I mean, we just got off a Disney cruise about a month earlier. So that was definitely a nicer room. But the room worked. You spent a lot of your time in the Windjammer and the MDR and off the boat shopping anyway. So we really used it to watch some sports, unwind in the evening, go to bed, and wake up, get ready. So is it the nicest room by any stretch? No, not really. But was it a room? Was it a good room? It did the trick. And so we're not mad at it. And we're not mad at it. So if you have any questions, let me know. So if you're staying in room 8550, that's your room. And we do want to show you that what you are above and below. your proximity here. 8550 is right here, this pink little thing right here. So let me make this bigger. There are 8550. Cool thing is you're really close to the elevator. Just go out the door, hang a left, you got the elevators there. Elevators worked really good on the ship. Day one, of course, and the last day they're busy, but otherwise they were very fast and efficient. You had a nice little nook here to look down. You got the entire atrium, the promenade on deck 5. A quick walk down the stairs. So if you need coffee, you needed pizza in the cafe promenade. We're pretty much right where my mouse is on deck 5. The main dining rooms were at the other end. A little bit of a walk. It's not a big ship. It's not like Harmony or an Icon class ship. And then your theaters were at the bottom of the stairwells here on 3 and 4. So the proximity of this is super ideal. 3 flights up gets you up to the pool deck, and the windjammers at the other side as well. I want to show you, just in case you're wondering, hey, is anything above or below me? On deck 9, it's more rooms. We never had an issue with sound. So this is where you would be right here. This is 9550 right here. So it's just another room above you. And then just in case you're wondering what is below you on deck 7, again, more rooms. 7550 is right here. So a great, ideal, kind of a centrally located room, quick access to everything. Until the next video, I hope you travel safe.